This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can modify the credentials of the Wi-Fi network created by this drone or by this aircraft. So at the start, enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Next, launch settings by pressing at those three dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Now select the Wi-Fi category of settings. Scroll a bit down and look for the Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password. Here you can change them. You can rename or change the network name as well as the network's password. Then hit the done button. Do not forget to save changes by press and apply here and confirm made changes. And as you can see, the changes were made and accepted. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.